Thank you, Presbyter Len, my mom. I love you. This morning, after the devotion, I went by myself to the mausoleum where the remains of my father is laid. And I just said some things from my heart. Vanilla ice cream. That was my dad's favorite comfort food. In 2024, during I said to the congregation, on the day I'm gonna serve you the way he served you. I'm gonna love you the way he loved you. And I'm gonna sacrifice the way he sacrificed. And that is my marching order every day. That's what I'm trying to live up to every day. And I would like to thank all of you for your love. And I want you to know that I love you. And I would like to also give special recognition to these men and women, particularly our senior bishops like Bishop Osinando Quiliao, Archbishop Art Ferriol, my mother, Presbyter Lily, Presbyter Mona, and the rest of the bishops. These are the people who stood by my father. Through thick and thin, they loved him, they defended him, they nurtured him, they cared for him. And I am not worthy to receive that same kind of love and protection and care. But I just want you to know that I appreciate you from my heart of hearts. Believe it or not, I'm now 58. But there are times I feel like I'm 68. But again, I do not want to prolong this anymore. I really appreciate all of you. And I love you all. The Lord bless you all. Thank you so much.
A blessed happy birthday, beloved Apostle Jonathan S. Ferriol. And now we will have a photo opportunity.